They said I'd fly home by sundown, but no one said anything about crashing or dying more than once. Captain Whiskers, ace pilot, elite feline of the Skyclaw Squadron. Today's mission was routine until it wasn't. He danced with death at Mach speed. Talons on the throttle, whiskers twitching. Missiles howled past him like banshees, but he was sharper, quicker. The sky was his hunting ground. Enemy locks blared. He dove, rolled, fired. Each move was instinct, elegance and ferocity in perfect sync. And then one day, without warning, systems failed. Thrusters jammed, control panels glitched. He was going down, fast. The jungle rose to meet him like a wall of green. He braced, then impact. Miraculously, he survived, tangled in the trees, bruised but breathing. But this was no ordinary jungle. Just hours ago, he dodged death in the skies. Now it hunted him from the shadows. The silence was watching him. He hid, holding his breath. Their growls rattled the earth. Something wasn't right. He ran. Instinct and training. Dodging claws, leaping roots, breathing panic. He kept on running, fast. One misstep, and the river claimed him, tossed, dragged, swallowed whole. And beneath the surface, death waited, silent and scaled. He fought for air, for land, for life, crawling out, alive, barely. Then came the beasts, mutated, armored, unnatural, jungle predators forged in nightmares. Through the vines and mist, it appeared, an old control tower, out of place, out of time. He found a terminal. Lights flickered to life. Monitors blinked awake. He wasn't the first to be here. Then, on the screen, something impossible. Project Mirage, simulation loop. He picked up a page. Old, worn. A handwritten entry says, "I crashed again today. I remember less each time. I think I'm not the first me." Suddenly, the lights shifted. Red, loud, mechanical. The walls began to close in. But gas hissed in from the vents. Cold, silent. His limbs went limp. The monitor read, "Simulation cycle 312 failed. Initiating memory wipe, resetting subject Captain Whiskers." Smoke swallowed the room. The lights died. Silence returned. And somewhere above the clouds, a jet begins to fail. Again.
Simulation. Cycle. Number 3. 1, 3. Initiated.